Hello folks, welcome back to my shop. Today I'm going to do something a little different than what I've done in my last couple of videos. And I know I haven't done very many and I'm a very brand new video. But I'm wanting to show you this because it kind of hits home to me. This is a Christmas gift package from the director of the Warrior program for the CDCN, and the lovely lady that runs that program, she's great. In a sad note too, the reason why she's so big in the organization is that her daughter herself has the same rare disease that I have, called Castleman's disease. And it's sad to see kids get sick. I mean, adults, it's almost kind of expected for the things that we've done and been through and age and everything else. But to see a kid when they're 18 months old get diagnosed with a life-threatening illness, it's kind of sad. But I'm a volunteer for their Warrior program, and this year the director, she's decided to send out Christmas presents to some of the people. She works for cdcn.org. Check out that website. It'll tell you a little bit more about what Castleman's disease is. I was diagnosed May of 2016. Spending a week in the hospital, a couple trips to the ER, really sick for several months. I kind of actually got lucky and caught it early. A lot of people don't catch it until they're on their deathbed and in intensive care in the hospital and dying. Like the founder of the CDCN, Dr. Feigenbaum, a good friend of mine, very inspiring guy, but he's almost died 3 or 4 times from this disease, and he's trying some medication that helped him, and thankfully it's working for me too, because the only one drug out there to protect against Castleman's disease, and it only works in about 30% of the patients, and of course I was not one of those 30%. So what I thought I would do today is take the Christmas presents she sent us and go ahead and do an unboxing. And tell you a little more about Castleman's disease. Castleman's disease affects the lymph nodes of people, causes the immune system to start attacking its own organs. As me, it started attacking my pancreas, and started eating on my kidneys. Let's see if we got some place to put that. It's as common, actually a little bit more common than ALS, but if you ask people around, they know what ALS is, they just don't know what Castleman's disease is. Castleman's disease is almost like lymphoma, and that's what my doctor originally thought I had, was a type of lymphoma. At times I wish I had lymphoma, because to a degree, you have a better outcome, survivability rate, than you do with Castleman's disease. I'm not saying you can't survive Castleman's disease, but it is like cancer, as in you can put it into remission. You just can't cure it at this time. Hopefully Dr. Feigenbaum will find a solution to that. I was law enforcement prior to being diagnosed. I was a canine handler at the local sheriff's office. The best job I think I've ever had in my life. Let's take some of these things out of here. And unfortunately I had to give that job up. So, little letter from him. I won't read the letter. It's probably quite long. Let's take a look here. Oh, got my bag all dirty here, a dirty workbench. But there we are. Castleman Disease Collaborative Network. That's the organization. cdcn.org is their website. I'll leave the link down below if you would like to donate money. I mean, if I had 100 people donate $1, that's $1,000 towards research. And 90% of the research money that these guys raise actually goes to doing research with Castleman's disease, as they don't have large overhead. Look at that. Nice little tag. Little card holder, silicone card holder. Nice little gifts. Thank you. You know, and unlike Susan Komen Foundation, they're a great foundation. Don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna call them a bad organization, but they're large. They're really big, and so when you get big, you have to start spending money on people to manage all of that money and to manage where it goes to and all of that. And although CDCN does all of that in-house, the costs are still quite low. I mean, they still have a few people that have to work for them. They pay researchers to do work for them. They're polishing papers, and you know, they got a few things they have to pay for, but they don't have to pay for as much as like a large corporation, nonprofit like Susan Komen. I'm sure over time it'll change, but great little Christmas tree ornament. Castleman guy on the front. You know, I had a guy design this for me, and then I printed it out on my 3D printer. This little Castleman guy normally has a shield, but I lost it somewhere here in my workshop. Organization that make this is, they have an Etsy store. All I Make, ALLIMAKE is their name. So if you go to I think it's allimake.etsy.com, take you to their web store. They mostly sell vinyl decals, but can do things like this. You know, I just gotta send a custom order request in, and I'm gonna be a little honest with you here. It's my wife's shop. She's the one that does that. Did the stuff for them. We also did glasses for the gala. It was fun. We enjoy being involved, and you know, because I have it, I'm on disability. I don't have a whole lot of money I can donate in. Every little bit that I can donate, I do. So my wife and I will volunteer. Well, mostly my wife, because of my illness, I don't have the energy to do things. That's why I don't put out as many videos as I probably should. And my videos aren't really big projects. So, anyway, enough on the bulb. A beautiful bulb. But I'd get in trouble if I didn't say that. And, oh, this is just amazing here. Look at this. Little piggy bank. Change for Castleman. You know what? I'm gonna use this, so every little bit of change I get, drop in here, and I can save up and send it to the CDCN. I also run a Flipgive thing, so when you order things online, you know, JCPenney's, if you go to Walmart and order things from Walmart, AliExpress, or you know, what's the other one? Banggood. They'll actually donate some money in. And you can buy your things, and a little bit of the proceeds go into my Flipgive organization, coffer, and then at the end of the year, I pull the money out of that and donate it to CCN for research. So I'll send a link to that so you can see how to set it up. And what's great about that is it's got a little Google web app that you add to your Google extension. And whenever you go to a website that Flipgive works with, the little flag will pop up and you say activated. And then anything that you buy off that website will get donated. As well as you can go to smile.amazon.com and set your Amazon account up to automatically donate to any nonprofit they have listed on there. But CARE is on there, Castleman's Awareness Program. They donate they're the original. CARE is the original Castleman's Foundation, and CARE and the CTCN have kind of merged together to form one big alliance. But the founder of that, I met him. He's a great gentleman as well. So CTCN, I want to thank you for that. Stuff will definitely get used, and hopefully I was able to spread a little bit of word, a little information about Castleman's disease today. I hope if you've got any other questions, feel free to check out ctcn.org. Down below, I'll have those links that I discussed. Also, if you want to help me create more of my videos, I've got some projects I have coming up. Putting together a 1851, I think it is, Pieta Black Navy revolver. It's a do-it-yourself kit. And I'm going to be building a propane forge. So that's coming up. As well as I got parts ordered for my Porter cable router that I'm going to be reassembling as soon as I get all the parts in. But I want to thank you for watching today. Leave your comments, questions below, and thank you very much. Have a great day.